Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to Team VRY. So if you want an iPad mini but don't necessarily want to spend a ton of money on Apple's compact tablet, then you might want to consider getting a certified Apple-Refurbished iPad mini, which is going for a considerably cheaper price compared to the 2024 iPad mini 7 with the A17 Pro chipset. With that said though, I've heard a lot of good things about Apple-Refurbished products, and I just want to share with you guys this quick unboxing of this Apple-Refurbished iPad mini 6. Let's get started. Alright, so we do have the iPad here, and it does come in a simple white box, which does tell you that it is a refurbished product as opposed to a brand new box which comes with a picture of the iPad mini 6. Now, opening the box, you do get the iPad itself as well as some accessories such as some paperwork, a brand new USB-C cable, and a brand new charging brick, and that's pretty much it. Now on its website, Apple says that its refurbished iPads come with new shells, new batteries, as well as the new accessories which we just saw. And yeah, looking at the iPad mini 6, it does look pretty flawless. There are no scratches on the display, and there's of course no damage on the metallic shell. It's a lot like getting a brand new iPad mini, although this of course will come with some refurbished parts on the inside. Now in terms of specs, this is the space gray version, and it is the base model with 64 gigabytes of storage. Now I'm a pretty basic tablet user, so I don't need a lot of storage for my tablets. Most of my computing is done on my MacBook anyway, and so far I am pretty impressed. Now setting up the tablet, so far everything looks good. The display does look good. Like I said, there are no scratches, and the LCD panel itself is in pretty much perfect condition. The Touch ID button works as well. I haven't seen any scratches on the Touch ID button itself, which is of course terrific. Now as for the speakers, they do sound pretty good, so here's a quick sample for you guys. And yeah, overall, I am pretty impressed with the level of quality on Apple's certified refurbished iPad mini. Now, of course, this is not the latest version, so it's going to come with the older A15 Bionic chipset. It's going to come with less RAM, and it's not going to be compatible with Apple's new AI features. With that said though, if all you're after is a premium compact tablet with reasonably good performance, then you might want to take a look at Apple's refurbished iPads. So yeah, that does it for this quick video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Have you bought an Apple refurbished product before? Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.